cat sitting up so high. A, B, C, and D, let's learn the alphabet. Sing with me. E, F, G, H, and I will learn them all before we say goodbye. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a yummy treat. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion, hear it roar by. M is for monkey swinging around. N is for nest where birds are found. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for parrot, colorful and bright. A, B, C, and D, let's learn the alphabet. Sing with me. Q, R, S, T, U, V, we're almost done, just wait and see. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping ahead. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for train, chugging away. A, B, C, and D, let's learn the alphabet. Sing with me. W, X, Y, Z, hooray, we learned the alphabet today. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, playing for me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we've sung our A to Z, you know your letters, sing with glee.